Basic electronics. Based on the electrical properties, materials can be divided into 3 categories. 1. Insulators. 2. Conductors. 3. Semiconductors. Insulators. The materials that does not allow current to flow through them are called insulators. X. Wood, plastic, glass, rubber, paper, etc. Conductors. The material that allow current to flow through them are called conductors. X. Copper, aluminum, gold, silver, etc. All metals are good conductors. Semiconductors. The materials whose property lies in between those of insulators and conductors are semiconductors. X. Silicon, germanium. At 0 degree temp, semiconductors are insulators at higher temp. They behave like conductors. For laptop chip level training, contact us at RCP Technologies, 406A, Annapurna Block, near Mitravanam, Ameerpet, Hyderabad, India 500,016. info@rcptec.com. Phone 9,030,385,678.